Uh, Myself Rohit Kapuskar. I am from BSc third year MBB group. Today I am delivering my chemistry seminar on the organometallic compounds under the guidance of Dr. A.S. Burghate Madam. Organometallic compounds. Introduction. Organometallic compounds are those compounds in which carbon is directly bonded to metal. Where metals are potassium, sodium, lithium, calcium, magnesium, aluminum, zinc, cadmium, tin, lead or the mercury, etc. These compounds are named by simply adding the name of the metal to that of organic group, which may be alkyl, alkenyl or the aryl. The examples are CH3Li, that is methyl lithium, then diethyl zinc, that is ZnC2H5, C2H5, then methyl magnesium bromide, that is CH3MgBr. Ionic character. The carbon metal bonds in organometallic compounds are ionic, and the extent of the ionic character of carbon metal bond depends on the electropositive nature of the metal. More electropositive the metal, more is the ionic character of carbon metal bond. Percent ionic character of some carbon metal bonds are given in the following table. uh, first column there is a carbon metal bond, and in next column there is a ionic character. The carbon potassium bond ionic character is 50%. Carbon sodium bond ionic character is 47%. Carbon lithium bond ionic character is 43%. Carbon calcium bond ionic character is 43%. Carbon magnesium bond ionic character is 35%. Carbon aluminum bond, the ionic character is 22%. Carbon zinc bond, the ionic character is 18%. Carbon cadmium bond, the ionic character is 15%. Carbon tin bond ionic character is 12%. Carbon lead bond ionic character is 12%. And last one is the carbon mercury bond, the ionic character is the 9%, which is least one. The reactivity of organometallic compounds depends upon the ionic character of the carbon metal bond. More is the ionic character of carbon metal bond, more will be the reactivity of organometallic compound. Thus, highly ionic compounds such as organosodium and organopotassium compounds are among the most reactive organometallics. They are spontaneously inflammable in the air, react violently with water, are non-volatile and do not dissolve readily in non-polar solvents. On the other hand, less ionic and more covalent compounds like tetraethyl lead and dimethyl mercury are far less reactive, relatively stable in air, volatile and soluble in non-polar solvent like hydrocarbons and ethers. The organometallics with moderate ionic characters such as those of lithium and magnesium are of greater interest to the organic chemist. These compounds are relatively easy to prepare and handle and are useful in synthetic reagents. Organomagnesium compounds. Sir Victor Grignard discovered the organomagnesium halides, which has formula RMgX, called as Grignard reagents. Of all the organic organometallic compounds known, Grignard reagents are the most important reagent by virtue of their significant and wide application. Most of the organic compounds of all classes can be synthesized from Grignard reagent. For his remarkable contribution to synthetic organic chemistry, Grignard won one half of Nobel Prize in 1912. Methyl magnesium bromide or the Grignard reagent. Synthesis. Methyl magnesium bromide or the Grignard reagent can be synthesized in the laboratory by the action of methyl bromide on magnesium metal in the presence of dry ether. It is the in situ method of preparation of methyl magnesium bromide. Here, methyl bromide is react with magnesium metal in presence of dry ether. It forms methyl magnesium bromide. Synthetic applications, electrophilic substitution reactions. First is the synthesis of alkanes. Grignard reagent reacts with the compounds containing active hydrogen like water, alcohols, carboxylic acids, and amines to produce alkane. In this given reaction, when the Grignard reagent reacts with HA, it yields alkane, that is RH, and the MgOH, where A is nothing but the hydroxyl group, alkoxide group, then RCO, NH2 or the RNH, etc. The examples are methyl magnesium bromide. When reacts with water, it gives methane and magnesium hydroxide and bromide. Higher alkanes are obtained by the reaction of Grignard reagent with alkyl halides. For example, methyl magnesium bromide, when reacts with the methyl bromide, it forms ethane and magnesium bromide. In this reaction, the methyl carries negative charge and the magnesium, which is a metal, carries positive charge. Synthesis of alkenes. Alkenes can be synthesized from Grignard reagent by its reaction with the unsaturated halides. For example, when methyl magnesium bromide reacts with the allyl bromide, that is CH2 double bond CH CH2Br, it gives 1 butene and MgBr2. Then the synthesis of higher alkynes. Higher alkynes can be synthesized by the reaction of terminal alkynes with the Grignard reagent followed by the treatment with alkyl halide. CH3C triple bond CH plus Grignard reagent. It gives CH3C triple bond C MgX plus RH, and the example is CH3C CH3C triple bond C MgX plus CH3Br. It gives rise to 2-butane, that is CH3C triple bond C CH3 plus MgHBr. Synthesis of other organometallic compounds. Organometallic compounds can be obtained by the reaction with metallic halides. Following organometallic compounds can be synthesized from Grignard reagent. Diethyl mercury. When when the ethyl magnesium bromide reacts with mercury chloride, it gives C2H2Hg plus twice MgBrCl. The tetramethyl lead. Ethyl magnesium bromide, when reacts with PbCl2, it gives C2H34 C2H3 by 4 Pb plus Pb plus MgBrCl. Then the tetraethylene. When ethyl magnesium bromide reacts with SnBr4, it gives C2H5 by 4 Sn plus MgBr2. Then nucleophilic addition reactions. Reaction with aldehydes. Reaction with formaldehyde. When Grignard reagent reacts with the formaldehyde to give addition product, which on hydrolysis yields primary alcohol. That is, in the representation of the reaction, CH2 double bond O plus Grignard reagent gives R dash CH2 dash OMgX, which is the addition product, which on hydrolysis gives the primary alcohol. For example, methyl magnesium bromide reacts with formaldehyde to produce ethanol. Formaldehyde plus methyl magnesium bromide First is this addition product or the reaction intermediate which on hydrolysis gives ethyl alcohol and magnesium hydroxide and bromine. Then the reaction with acetaldehyde. Reaction of Grignard reagent with acid aldehyde other than the formaldehyde produces secondary alcohols. In this reaction, there is aldehyde other than formaldehyde plus Grignard reagent. First it yields addition product or the reaction intermediate which on hydrolysis produces secondary alcohol, that is R dash CHROH. For example, methyl magnesium bromide reacts with acetaldehyde giving isopropanol, which is a secondary alcohol. In this reaction, there is a representation of this, that is the methyl magnesium bromide when reacts with acetaldehyde. It forms first a reaction product or the reaction intermediate or the addition product which on hydrolysis forms isopropanol, which is a secondary alcohol. Then the physical properties of Grignard reagent. The alkyl group in the Grignard reagent has a high electron density. Therefore, Grignard reagent can show strong basic characteristics. Therefore, they react with the compounds which can supply H positive ions. Next one is the Grignard reagents are strong nucleophiles. And last one is the Grignard reagent should be kept in dry environment, in dry ether. If the moisture or the water is contact with Grignard is destroyed. Thank you.